Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the X app, formerly Twitter, to your Mac dock so you can access it with a single click, just like a regular app. Let's get right into it. First, open Safari. You can do that by clicking on the Safari icon in your dock, or using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Next, go to x.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go up to the top menu bar, click on File, and then choose Add to Dock. You'll see a small window pop up. You can rename the shortcut if you want. For example, call it X or Twitter, then click Add, and just like that, you'll see the X icon in your dock, right alongside your other apps. Now here's the best part. When you click the icon, X will open in its own standalone app-style window, completely separate from Safari. You can even quit Safari, and X will keep running like a native app. And that's it. You now have X, Twitter, added to your dock on Mac for quick and easy access. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.